Hi, my name is Matthew Parsons.
Hi, I'm Lindsey Whitworth.
I'm with Keller Williams Real Estate here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and you are with?
Mortgage Investors Group in Knoxville, Tennessee.
And today on this Veterans Day, we are going to talk about veterans loans. Now, Lindsey, you have done all kinds of veterans loans. Let's talk about who qualifies. It seems like it's pretty obvious in the name, but are there certain qualifications for somebody wanting to get veterans?
Yes, absolutely. So VA loans require a veteran to have a certain amount of service, a certain place that they have served. They can be active duty or, a veteran to qualify. And we would determine that by their certificate of eligibility. That's a big thing where we start in the process is determining that.
Okay. And what would be some of the benefits of somebody getting a veterans loan versus a traditional conventional loan or an FHA or some other type of loan? What's the advantage of a veterans loan?
Yeah, obviously we want to help our veterans, and you want to work with a lender that knows the guidelines and what's the best product for them. But a veteran loan or a VA loan can most of the time be 100% financing. So that's huge. No down payments for veterans. Also, there's no mortgage insurance. So that's a huge thing when it comes to your monthly payment. So those are some of the big key pieces.
Sure, and for those who are not familiar, what exactly is mortgage insurance, and what kind of costs is a veteran going to save by avoiding that mortgage insurance?
Yes.
When does it kick in?
Sure. So like in comparison to a conventional loan, when you do a conventional loan, unless you put 20% down, you're going to have a monthly mortgage insurance premium that you have to pay. The cost will vary depending on the loan amount and things like that. But on a VA loan, putting no down payment, you have no mortgage insurance. So just helps the monthly payment be a little bit less expensive.
It sounds like you can use it for more than one home, right? So
you can.
I've bought four homes, one at a time. So that's two things, right? When I say a second home, I don't mean like a vacation home. I mean like, hey, I used a VA to buy my first one, now I'm selling that, and I'm buying a second home with my VA. I can do that, correct?
You can. So let me give you a little scenario. Let's say you lived in Virginia and you bought a home in Virginia and you use your VA loan for financing. But now you're relocating to Knoxville, Tennessee, and that house is not sold. Or you want to keep that house. You can get another VA loan on another primary residence. So it's got to be your primary residence that you're going to be, relocating here to move to that house. The difference becomes you have eligibility or entitlement tied up in that house in Virginia. So the house in Knoxville, Tennessee, you may not be able to get 100% financing because your eligibility is still partly tied up on that house in Virginia. So you definitely can get more than one VA loan at a time, so you can have two at a time, but you may not be able to do the 100% financing. Okay. So again, why it's so important to talk to someone like me that can help figure out what that down payment requirement is, if any. So it all depends on loan amounts and what you're borrowing. So
those are great savings, and those are great things that our veterans and active duty people can take advantage of if they get a veterans loan.
Yes.
Okay. Any other kind of things within the veterans loans that you think that people should know about out there?
Yeah, so we even can do VA loans for surviving spouses. So that's another avenue where you don't automatically think of that, but surviving spouse of a veteran is eligible based on the veteran's time of service for a VA loan. Right. So again, partnering with someone that knows those different ins and outs of the VA loans is going to be really important. Okay,
and you are that person, right?
I am that person.
What a coincidence. Hey, look, Lindsey can help you out. And I've also worked with clients who have gotten veterans loans, and we've gotten some great homes for those people over the years, and allowed them to take advantage of the programs that are out there that are backed by our federal government. So good stuff. So Lindsey, if somebody wants to get a hold of you, how can they do that?
You can reach me. My cell phone is 865-306-3725. That's usually the easiest way to reach me, and I'll be happy to chat more about it.
Awesome. And if you want to talk to me too about buying a home, selling a home, you can give me a call at 865-761-9797. My phone also takes text messages, so if you want to do that, you can do that as well. Or you can reach me at MatthewParsonsHomes.com. So there you go, just a little bit about veterans loans on Veterans Day. If you know a veteran or someone who's active duty, make sure that you thank them for their service to our country. I know that I appreciate it. I know that you appreciate it.
Absolutely, yeah.
So there you go. I'm Matthew Parsons, Realtor with Keller Williams here in Knoxville, Tennessee. My phone number is 865-761-9797, making the home buying process smart, simple, and safe. And
Lindsey Whitworth with Mortgage Investors Group. You can reach me at 865-306-3725. That's my cell phone and the best way to contact me.
great. Thanks so much, Lindsey. Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you, Matthew.
God bless.